Hello everybody and welcome. In this video we are going to be learning how to log cells in Excel. So it's going to be a pretty simple 3-step process that you can follow step by step. So first you need to select the entire set of rows and columns that you want to log. So in this case, as you can see, we have employees data and we want to log the default data, which is the employees, shares, days and items sold, and the names of the employees as well the total. So let's get started. So first we are going to be logging the entire set of rows and columns. So select your very first cell and hold shift on your keyboard and select the last cell. Now you can see we have selected the entire set of rows and columns and head over to format cells. From there to very last tab, which is protection, and in here make sure it is set to lock. Click on OK, and now we are going to be choosing the set of rows and columns that do not need to be locked. So select your column and last column again, right click on your keyboard and head over to format cells and make sure that locked is unchecked this time. So this is going to be our step 2 and click on OK. So now we are supposed to be locking our default tabs, which are these blue ones in our case, and these particular rows and columns are going to be unlocked. Now the third and the final step is to head over to your review tab and from there to protect sheet. Click on that, and here you can set a password to protect your sheet. So I'm going to be quickly setting password, and once you're done, make sure that select locked cells is checked and click on OK. Now we need to re-enter our password to proceed. Click on OK. And now you will be able to see that we can modify these center values, but when we modify these, it is giving an error message. So that's a pretty simple process to log our cells in Excel. I really hope you learned something new and this video was helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.